What's up everyone, Eric the Random Automotive Bat Kid here. Today we're going to be spraying the engine bay on the Neon because it's time to get it on the road. So here she is. I gotta move all the things around. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yep, basically we're going to be getting it nice and clean. This engine can go back in, and we have a 2.4 in there with J pistons, got crank 22 cams, Indy intake manifold, Kirk long tube header, and SRT4 oil pump and everything that goes with it. So stay tuned and we'll show you what it looks like. So first things first, we need to remove everything that's under the car. Let's get started. Yeah, because I can edit all this. James from Primer2Tone and Frank from TwerkShop Garage just joined us.
TwerkShop Garage? We're TwerkShop Garage. Does that sound good, dude?
Well,
that sounds fucking awesome.
Doesn't sound bad.
I mean, we're both fat, right?
So well, both. But yeah, these guys are gonna be pressure washing the engine bay, and maybe I can convince them to do the transmission. We'll see. So would this be like Inception because they're recording each other?
And I'm just working. This is squirrel safe.
Oh man, it's already clean.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys, let's push it back in.
Because it's ammonia free. Even though it smells like Windex.
But check this out, guys. Look at that. 1995 all over again. And it's Dodge, so you can tell this is quality. Oh, Plymouth. Man, that was a good investment on your part.
Hell yeah. Oh, you're rolling on the BCs.
Yeah, man.
Follow me on Instagram.
Yeah. I don't want to be on YouTube.
That's usually how it works. An African prince wanted to send me diamonds. Oh yeah.
His will.
Please respond quick, for I do not have many days left on Earth.
engine bay is finally dry. Look at that. And James wanted to be a nice guy and squeegeed my whole floor.
Tell the truth, you suckered him anything.
But look at the transmission. Brand spanking new with a little bit of corrosion. She looks sharp. Look at that. Now everything needs to go back in the garage and we'll call it a day.